Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for February the 23rd, brought to you today by Senior Editor Matt Dennis. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sedgedeem. In our top news story, Valeant Pharmaceuticals agreed to acquire Salix Pharmaceuticals for $158 per share in cash, or around $10 billion. The deal has an enterprise value of about $14.5 billion, with Valeant estimating that it will generate more than $500 million in annual cost savings. Also featured, Eli Lilly said that regulatory filings to the FDA and European Medicines Agency for its basal insulin peglispro will be delayed until after 2016. The company, which previously guided for submissions in the first quarter of 2015, indicated that it needs to generate additional clinical data. In other news, BristolMyersSquibb will purchase all of the outstanding capital stock of Lexus Biosciences for a total consideration of $1.25 billion. The deal, which includes an upfront payment of $800 million, will expand BristolMyersSquibb's immuno-oncology pipeline. In addition, Merck & Co. entered a deal with NGM Biopharmaceuticals worth at least $450 million to develop and commercialize biologic therapies. Roger M. Perlmutter, president of Merck Research Laboratories, said, "Through this new collaboration, we hope to address the needs of patients suffering from diabetes, metabolic dysregulation, and malignancy." And finally, Sosei purchased Hep Therapeutics for up to $400 million, gaining a number of experimental therapies targeting G-protein coupled receptors. Under the deal, Sosei acquired all of Hep shares for $180 million in cash, with up to a further $220 million linked to milestones. To read these and other stories in full, visit FirstWordPharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.